Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC series, today we're going to understand the important and commonly used site documents, method statement for excavation.
In our previous videos, we have already covered QMS documents. Now let's move into construction method statements, starting with excavation.
What is a method statement? A method statement is a written document that explains how a specific construction activity will be carried out, sequence of work, safety and quality controls, responsibilities of personnel. It ensures work is done safely, correctly, and as per requirements. What is excavation? Excavation is the process of removing soil, rock, or earth from a specific location to reach the required formation level. Excavation is required for foundations, trenches, basements, utilities. What is method statement for excavation? Method statement for excavation describes how excavation will be carried out, equipment to be used, safety precautions, quality control measures, environmental controls. It ensures safe and controlled excavation work. Objective of excavation method statement. The main objectives are ensure safe excavation work, prevent accidents and collapses, maintain correct excavation levels, protect nearby structures, meet project specifications. Scope of work. This method statement applies to manual excavation, mechanical excavation, trench excavation, foundation and bulk excavation at all project locations. Reference documents. Excavation work reference documents are approved drawings, project specifications, project quality plan, PQP, HSE plan, local authority regulations. Responsibilities. Responsibilities include project manager, overall control, site engineer, execution as per drawings, QA/QC engineer, inspection and compliance, safety officer, safety monitoring, surveyor, level and alignment control. Plant and equipment. Typical equipment used: excavator, backhoe loader, dump trucks, compactors, survey instruments. All equipment shall be inspected and approved before use. Materials. Materials involved include soil, approved backfill material, warning tapes, shoring materials if required. Pre-excavation activities. Before excavation starts, following activities must be completed: approved excavation drawings, utility clearance obtained, survey marking completed, barricading and signage installed, permit to excavate approved. Excavation procedure. Excavation shall be carried out as follows: mark excavation area, start excavation using approved equipment, excavate in layers, maintain required slope or shoring, reach design level. Dewatering. If required, if water is encountered, dewatering pumps shall be installed, water shall be discharged safely, excavation kept dry for inspection. Safety measures. Key safety controls include barricading of excavation, safe access and egress, use of PPE, slope or shoring for deep excavations, continuous safety supervision. Environmental controls. Environmental measures include dust control, proper disposal of excavated material, prevention of soil erosion, noise control. Quality control measures. Quality checks include verification of excavation level, inspection by QA/QC engineer, consultant approval before next activity, record of inspections. Inspection and approval. Inspection includes level and dimension check, soil condition verification, approval from consultant, client. No further work shall start without approval. Backfilling, if applicable. After approval, backfill using approved material, compact in layers, achieve required compaction. Records maintained. Records include excavation inspection request, survey reports, compaction test reports, permit to excavate. Common risks in excavation. Typical risks include collapse of excavation, falling into excavation, utility damage, equipment accidents. Risk control measures. Risks are controlled by proper shoring slope, barricading, trained operators, regular inspections. ISO and QA/QC compliance. Excavation method statement supports ISO 9001 quality, ISO 45001 safety, project QA/QC requirements. Relation with other documents. This method statement is linked with ITP for excavation, risk assessment, HSE method statement, inspection and test plans. Conclusion. Method statement for excavation is a critical site document that ensures safety, quality, compliance, controlled execution. If this video helped you understand method statement excavation clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents and construction method statements. Thank you.